Hello, YouTuber. Today I'm working on my Yamaha Grizzly 4x4 4x4 660. Independent suspension. This boot is broken and some oil leak in the back side of the boot. Some leaks right here. See right here? The grease coming out. On this side, on the top side is coming out also right here. It's right here. Okay. Right there. On the bottom side is good. So today I will work on that. And the front side, both of them look good. Yeah, front sides look good. And another thing I was working on today, okay, see this boot right here? It's broken. Okay, here, this one, totally broke. I will replace whole thing without remove everything. So many stuff, I will take it out. And I usually use my GoPro. My GoPro is freezing. Like a couple months ago, I lost a lot of clip that I using, and I give up on it already. So I will use my Sony camera. Look like it's greasy here too. Look like this broken too. I might work on that also. Okay, I will start working on. Please bear with me. This is the first time I do on this kind of the car, the quad. Okay, I will remove this cover, and it will help. Okay, this boot totally destroyed. The grease come out. Okay. Clamps you have lock here. Can let unlock that and things out. when you get, oh, it's hard to get on it now. So this cutter here, I don't know how I'm gonna put the new one in, because this look like scrap it in. New one I should do like using screw it in. You have to cut it out. Okay. Maybe let's see better. See, no, oh, crease out. My God. Oops, sorry. You can turn this thing, turn already. It broke. Hey, maybe I just stop here. I have some other stuff to do. I'll probably be back tomorrow to finish it. I do the clean a little bit. See this? I know you can see from there. Okay, let's see how it is. I will clean it out and show you what is how bad it is. Okay. And then I'm going to put this in. See that glue? You can stay there for a while. Keep it dry first, and then check it out, see how it's sticky. Just a little bit, maybe hour, let it dry first. Let them dry and then push it in and see what happens. I clean the grease out best I can, and then I'm gonna put this new grease in there, then before I close it with the clamp. I think the clamp is committed is pretty good. I bought the two clamps committed. Okay, next step, I'll put this in. I have the clamps here, these clamps. Okay, I have two of them, one outside, one small one. Okay, I did took outside out the clamps, own clamps, so this one it just come out. The grease just come out from here. I don't know how much grease left, but For now, I will take the old clamp out, put the new clamps in, and then see from there. It have like lock right here. Just tap it out. See, it's come out. Got a cut over here. See, it's come out. I had to cut it, but I have to loose from the rubber. I don't want to cut with the rubber. Maybe damage this rubber. Okay. Okay. I also do the oil change same time. Look like they never service this cord. You know, it's the oil is never changed it. I would change the oil filter, draining oil right now at the same time. I order the filter and the oil from Amazon. I will replace everything, tune up. Now I gotta put the grease in this. I put the glue on this. Look like it dries good. No gap. Okay. I'm gonna put the grease. Let's see here, the grease come with it. Okay. Okay. Let's put bottom parts in first. Okay. I have pushed the boot in place. Then I put this clamp, go over one, and then I will go another round, and then tie it up, and tie it up with the two. Come with it. The two come with it is like this. Slide it in, and then wrap it up. Okay. Okay. I drain the oil. Now I'm gonna do the clamps on this boot. Please come out a little bit. I took the clamps out already, so now I have to place a new one. keep the grease. Tighten it. It means turn. I cannot move it. It means okay, this better. Kind of loose a little bit, but let's see how it is. Okay, look good now. I will do this side, same thing. Okay. Okay, after done, see this new boot and the grease get in, everything tied up. We'll test it, see how it works. If it come out again, I have to redo again. So okay, see on the left side, I done with the clamps. Put the new clamp both on this side and on the other side too. See the new clamps. It was grease come out. I'm done with this, so everything's complete. Thank you for watching. See you next clip. Bye.